Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 14 Neo and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with the quickest way, which will allow us to check the serial number. We have to open the dialer and enter the secret code, which is *##06#. And as you can see at the very bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way, which will be useful if you will forget about the secret code or if for some reason it won't work. So we have to enter the settings, then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And right here we have to scroll down again to find the model. Let's simply tap on it, and as you can see on the second position we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.